Namaskar everyone. Today we have word problems on multiplication of fractional numbers. The first question is, the cost of 1 kilogram apples is rupees 25 and half. What is the cost of 1.5 kilogram apples? Now children, you think the answer of this question. Here you are given 1 kilogram apples costing 25 and half rupees. You have to calculate the cost of 1.5 kilogram apples. Your time starts now. The cost of 1 kg apples is rupees 25 and half. You have to find the cost of 1.5 kg apples. So you will multiply 25 and half with 1.5 kg apples. So here you have to multiply. Convert this mixed number into improper fractions. You are given two fractions to be multiplied. One is cost and another is weight. So 25 and half we will calculate first. So as usual we multiply the whole number 25 with the denominator 2. We know 25 into 2 is 50 plus 1 is 51 by 2. Now second fraction is 1.5. We have to convert 1.5. So now 1.5, 1 is whole number and 2 in denominator. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2 is the second fraction. Now you multiply both the fractions 51 by 2 and 3 by 2. So 51 multiplied by 3 is written in the numerator side 51 into 3. Now denominator would be 2 into 2. Both the 2's will be multiplied. That we write in the denominator of the next step. Now numerator calculate. You have to calculate 51 into 3. It is 153. You will do it rough side. Now 2 into 2 is 4. So the fraction is 153 by 4. Now you see, you have to divide 153 by 4. It is improper fraction. So you will convert it into mixed number. Finally, you calculated 38 1 by 4. So the cost of 1.5 kg apples is rupees 38 1 by 4. Now this is second question for you. Mr. Gupta puts 3 1 by 4 liters of petrol in his car. If he uses 1/3 of it, how many liters of petrol did he use? Now here 3 1 by 4 liters of petrol is put in the car and only 1/3 of the petrol is used. So you have to calculate what is 1/3 of 3 1 by 4 liters of petrol that is used by Mr. Gupta. Now you will calculate and find how many liters of petrol used by Mr. Gupta. Your time starts now. Quantity of petrol in the car is 3 1 by 4 liters. 1/3 of petrol is used. So the petrol used is 1/3 of 3 1 by 4. We have to calculate 1/3 of 3 1 by 4. Now of means what? Multiplication. So we have to multiply 1 by 3 by 3 1 by 4. Is 3 1 by. Now 3 1 by 4 is converted into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4. So the denominator is 4 and the fraction is 13 by 4 in improper fraction. So now we have to find 1/3 of 13 by 4. So we multiply 1 by 3 by 13 by 4. 1 into 13 is 13 and 3 into 4 is 12. So we divide 13 by 12 in our rough side. So we do division here. 13 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. Remainder is 1. So the fraction is 1 1 by 12. So 1 1 by 12 liters of petrol is used by Mr. Gupta. Now you have third question. Neha spends 3 by 5 hours a day in morning exercises. How many hours does she spend in morning exercises in 1 week? Now think, students, what will you do here? 3 by 5 hours a day she exercise regularly. In 1 week there are 7 days. So how many total hours she will do morning exercise? You have to calculate within 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Solution. We will solve. Hours spent in morning exercises is 3 by 5 hours. This hours spent by Neha every day for morning exercises. Now we have to calculate in 1 week how long, how many hours she does exercise. So we write 1 week equals to 7 days. This will be the second statement. And then finally we have to calculate in 7 days how many hours she spent in exercise. So hours spent in 7 days in exercises is 3 by 5 into 7. So 7 times 3 by 5 we have to multiply. We will find it by multiplying. This is a usual method of multiplication. We multiply numerators. 3 and 7 we have to multiply. And then we will write divided by 5. So we know 3 into 7 is 21 divided by 5. So we will do this 3 by 5 into 7. You can note it is 21 and then divided by 5. Now you have to divide 21 by 5. So hours spent in 7 days in exercises 4 1 by 5 hours. Now coming to part 2 of my video, this is Vedic mathematics. Let's have some information about Vedic mathematics. What is Vedic mathematics? Do we need this? Yes. This is the time when we are coming back to Vedas. So some sutras we have to know, and so we thought of proceeding with this topic. Now let us first know what is Vedic mathematics. It is a collection of techniques and sutras to solve mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Sutras means formulae. that we call in English, and sub-sutras are sub-formulae of formulae, which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus and conics. You must not be doing at this level algebra, geometry, calculus and conics, but soon you will be starting all these subtopics of mathematics along with the fantastic formula that is introduced in Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics which was discovered by Indian mathematician Jagatguru Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtharaj ji. Rather, he has rediscovered it in the period between AD 1911 and 1918 and published his finding in a Vedic mathematics book by Tirthaji Maharaj. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Using regular mathematical steps, solving problems sometimes are complex and tame. Vedic mathematics makes it easier for all of us. All the fast calculations and mental techniques are done through Vedic mathematics. So, Vedic mathematics deals mainly with various Vedic mathematical formulae and their applications for carrying out tedious and cumbersome arithmetical operations and to a very large extent executing them mentally. An attempt has been made in this note. Thank you. Stay healthy.